going on, everyone? So I wanted to tell you all about Jordan's Buy 9 to 5 course. I've actually been a course member for, I guess, over 2 years now, and it's helped me grow up to 4 different channels, honestly. The people in there are amazing. The help has been tremendous. Really just an all-around great community when it comes to the Buy 9 to 5 community and course, with the Facebook group and everything too. So if you haven't checked it out yet, you need to. I'm running at least more than three now, monetized channels. One of them getting on the way to automation as well. And yeah, it's definitely helped make a side hustle for me and created some passive income when you get monetized. So Jordan steps you through all that different things of how to start your channel, and then tells you how to get it monetized, and then continue forward from there with making sure that you grow and become successful. So check out the Buy 9 to 5 course and have fun.